Hello everyone, in my today's video I am going to tell you about the battery drain problem in your device Google Pixel. So if in Google Pixel your battery drain very quickly or your battery is not working properly, you can fix the problem by following the steps as I will show you in this video tutorial. For complete video, follow all the steps and you will learn how you can do it.